gonna grab the levels and enter him in. Yesterday I actually forgot. Oops. Yesterday I actually forgot to edit this part into the video of like market recap to see if I actually followed my rules or not, which I actually did. But first day, hiccups gonna happen. We're gonna get better. So let's add the levels in. All right, so the overnight high is at 19,280. 19,280. Overnight low is 19,113. Value area high 19,316. Value area low 19,201. Oops, 201. Prior range high is 19,377. Prior range low. Oops, actually, this is the 19,113, and overnight low is actually 19,076. Point of control, which is super hidden because I can't see it. Huh, that's super weird. I think it has to be underneath here. 19,222. And then we still got the naked POC, which we're going to leave untouched because obviously we haven't touched it. Boom, we got our levels. And now, so this is what we're going to have planned. So we're pretty much, since we're in value and in range, we're going to be looking at overnight levels, the closest one to us, to see if we reject or go higher from here, and then we can go lower and maybe target the POC or the value area low, or vice versa. If it keeps going up, then maybe we can target the value area high, maybe even the prior range high, if we're able to open and go above this level. So that's kind of the game plan. And if we're not able to hold this, we're gonna be ranging. So then we can like TP to like PP, maybe TP to S1, things of that nature. So that's what we have in mind, and let's see if we're able to follow through. See you guys in the video. This trading day is over. Let's see if I follow my trade plan or not. As we can see, there's a lot of entries and exits. I did not follow my trade plan. My trade plan is supposed to be 10 trades or less, five really, and we didn't follow that. Um, if we look back on the trade plan of the day, we weren't really looking at the downside. I wasn't really confident on it. I was more on the upside targets, um, especially because of like the range and this strong move up. And we cleared this, we cleared that, things of that nature. The opening range was pretty big, right? Um, Value rejecting, and honestly, I almost went short here, but I was trading. I traded so much here that I didn't want to, and I was like, okay, value area low. If it doesn't really go higher, then we have no acceptance of going higher. Excuse me, but that kind of just threw me off. That okay, it was such a good rejection that I didn't know if it's like it was gonna bounce off VWAP now. Bottom of opening range, bottom of the range over here. Um, so that kind of like started throwing me on tilt a little bit because I felt like I wanted to take this move. I didn't. I felt like it was gonna. I thought tilt, right? You can't think straight. Now I'm wanting to bounce off all these levels that we got here, which actually this level is wrong. It wasn't even here. It's like a 200, so that wasn't even the right thing. And It was just all bad, all bad. But either way, the level, it's still a lot of levels here. But I just started tilting, and then I was pretty much taking, since it was so volatile, I was pretty much just taking shorts, but like stopping at break even because I didn't want to take the big drawdown because it was so volatile. Here I just kept going long here, short here. I was literally trading every fucking tick. Excuse the language, but every tick, uh, I was I was trading. This is not good. I finally gave it a break here. TP'd where I needed to. I kind of calmed down, and then he right back at it. It just not good. I didn't have a confidence with my trade plan in the morning to the downside. Um, very overnight low S2, We just hold the trade down to there and then we're done for the day. We don't have to worry about all this. We take, one or two trades from up here from VWAP to S2 and you're done, you know. We obviously start making lower lows after after the area where we should have held to keep going on higher, you know. Um, that's something that we need to look at. View up, turn red, back below opening range, and this is 20 minutes, so that's kind of valid enough time after the opening to establish that we want to go lower. They're just not good. This is not disciplined trading, and this was very difficult for me to record this and upload this because who wants to show this, right? Like this is really bad trading. I got really lucky that um, I got really lucky that I ended up green on my Express account with 2750, but I ping ponged a lot. I have some other evals I'll, that I'm working on. Here they are. This one's the algo. Uh, it got smoked today, unfortunately. I cut the shorts on that it took a little bit too early. Um, Ended closing the positions. I put in where the invalidations were at. That's neither there or what, but it is what it is. Here with the sim, with the two evals we were working on yesterday that we made 1,000. Here with the fees, man, we traded a lot. That's like $200 in fees, which is which is not good at all. But green. I opened two more evals this morning. Um, to just have so I can be at five funded accounts. And here, we made a little bit less than 1,000. And I didn't trade this one just in case if like these ones went really bad from the beginning. Excuse me. I could work on this one, which is not good, but we'll have that for in the reserve or whatever when we need it. And this is the funded, so that's how we finished today. Once again, not really good. I didn't want to upload this because this is kind of truly embarrassing, but it's something that I need to see and stick to my brain even more that I need to work on this every day. And I like shorting, so it's like normally I love holding and shorting. So the fact that I was very spooked is I need to think about that. So thank you very much to anyone who watched this. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.